do you have any tips or information for them to prepare before to come here? Maybe discipline, stamina, language. What do you think?
Uh, but I think for my experience, from our experience with the players, Indonesian players that we
Yeah.
have here at the academy with us,
Yeah.
is that they are very focused, they have a very good attitude. What they in the technical basic techniques, has a pass, reception, shoot, they have very well knowledge for the level
Background.
in their in background.
Background.
The thing is, they need to get more. They need to get more understanding about the match, the football match. I believe they do a lot of physical work, but they need to get more knowledge about the game, the defensive process, the offensive process. One against one, two against one, even more small matches where they can have, develop the basic techniques, and the large matches when they can have more technical concept of the game. Yeah, I think it's a question of experience.
Okay, good. And one last question. What do you think? Why they should come here to the academy?
To the academy.
Uh-huh.
Considering the chances and the football that they have in Indonesia, every single player pretends to be in Europe. So in Italy we have the technology, and I think they are able to develop as a player. More as I say, more the focus in a collective game, collective way of play, and